Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Tab for you a 2014 Kubota BX2370 subcompact tractor with just a loader. I do not have a deck for this tractor. I'd have a deck under it. It is a tractor loader only. You can add a deck. RCK 54-23BX will fit, which is a 54-inch, or an RCK 60-23BX, which is a 60-inch. Tractor is in very nice condition with just 497 original hours. Tractor never had a belly mower under it. It is a very nice, clean, original tractor. We'll start here up underneath the hood. Again, 2014, 3-cylinder Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine has had a full service. All filters and oils have been changed. Everything is ready to go to work. We can't find a single thing wrong with this tractor. It was traded on a new LX2610 is what the guy bought. Upgraded tractors. Very nice, clean tractor. Again, a couple little small scuffs in the hood, nothing major at all. Up front on the loader, it does have the 48-inch bucket. That's primarily all he ever used before with loader work. It does have a front hook on the top of the bucket. Seat metal is nice and straight. It does have the folding roll bar. Category 1 3-point hitch. Factory top link is with it. 540 PTO. I don't believe he's ever hooked into the PTO shaft. Coming around to this side, again, fender's very nice. Hood, cowling, everything is very nice and straight. Or the boss, I should say. PTO engagement is going to be here for the PTO selection. You're going to have your low and high range. And then you're going to have your full drive in and out. Up here is going to be your dash. We're going to go ahead and show you the hours. All gauges work. 497. Does have the suspension style seat with the armrest package. I'm going to go ahead, fire this tractor up. I'm going to run around, show you these first two. Here we go. All lights, turn signals 4 ways, everything works the way it's supposed to. Any questions, 814-658, or shut the 4 ways off. 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. We'll be glad to help you in any facet of this purchase that you need. If you need shipping or anything, let us know. We'll be glad to get you a freight quote. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.